Hello, flute people of the world. Mr. Fitz here, and now we're talking about page 6 from line number 4 on down. Okay, so looking at line number 6, I'm sorry, page 6, line number 4, excuse me, we have the note B flat. Okay, and B flat, as you can see, is even lower on the music staff. D was on the 4th line up, C is in the 3rd space, B flat's on the 3rd line up, and that's how we tell it's a B. And this little symbol here that looks like a B, that's actually a flat sign. So that's why that's a B flat. Notice the fingering diagram. It has the same index finger and pinky that you have with C, but it also adds in 2 other fingers, okay? The thumb and the index finger of the right hand, all right? And so I'll just show you that right now. All right, so when I had my C, I had my index finger here on the 2nd key on the top and my pinky on that little P key, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my thumb and my index finger of the right hand. That'll give me my B flat. Okay, isn't that cool? So this is C, this is B flat. All right? So here how it has a lower pitch than the D and the C. All right, so now I'm going to play line 4 for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so not too bad when you're doing it by itself, right? It's actually kind of comfortable to hold, especially compared to the C. Now, 5, 6, and 7 are a real challenge because now you're going to mix up the 3 different notes. And again, this is where that finger practice is really going to help you flute players. Make sure that you take the time to take your fingers and like look at them and say, all right, I'm doing a D now. That's D. I call this the evil finger practice. Then I'm going to switch to C. Oh yeah, that's a C. Good. And then I'm going to add these 2 and I'm going to be on a B flat. Yay, I'm on a B flat. And then I'm going to go back to a D, let's say. You can mix it up in various ways. Or you could follow the pattern that's shown in the exercises. So for example, if I look at number 5, my first note, that's a D. Then I have to switch to a C. Then I switch to a B flat. And then I switch back to a C. All right? Now again, takes time, takes practice. But practice it with the finger practice first, because when your flute is in playing position, you really can't like go looking like this to switch your fingers. It's not a good idea, right? Because first of all, you lose your embouchure setting, and it's just you really want to go by feel. So like now, right now, I say, all right, I got a D. All right, I'm going to switch to C and just feel it. I really can't see it. B flat. There's the C. Okay, so I'm going to try line 5 for you. 1, 2, ready. All right, so that's line 5. Now, 6 and 7, just mix the notes up in different order. So you got to kind of approach it the same way. Do your evil finger practice. Make sure you can name what your notes are, okay? This is really kind of important at this stage of the game, you guys, that you can tell when you look at it, oh yeah, that's a C because it's on the 3rd space. Oh yeah, that's a B flat because it's on the 3rd line and has a little flat symbol with it. Or, oh, that's a D because it's on the 4th line. Okay, musicians always count from the bottom up too when you're talking about lines and spaces on the music staff. All right, so I'm going to let you work on 5, 6, and 7. Have fun. Remember to keep practicing. That's the key. Practice every day. Bye.